Start your journey to grits fries with strawberry marinara by following the cooking instructions on the grits container. Boil 6 cups of water and add 2 teaspoons of salt. Gradually whisk in 1 3/4 cups of yellow cornmeal, ensuring no lumps are left behind. Keep stirring and cooking the mixture over medium heat until it thickens and becomes creamy. Pour the cooked grits into a baking tray and let them cool and set in the refrigerator for 1-2 hours. Allow the grits to transform and firm up, ready to be shaped into fabulous fries. Meanwhile, it's time to prepare the strawberry marinara sauce that will accompany your grits fries. Dice 3.5 cups of strawberries along with 1 large onion and 1 red bell pepper. Make them feel like a perfectly coordinated team, ready to create a tantalizing flavor symphony. Add a handful of freshly chopped oregano and basil to the strawberry marinara sauce, infusing it with herbaceous goodness. Stir well to incorporate the flavors and let the herbs soften and release their delightful aromas for just about a minute. In a saucepan, heat up some olive oil and add the diced strawberries, onion, bell pepper, and a touch of minced garlic. Let them sizzle and soften over medium heat for about 10 minutes, allowing their flavors to meld together. Don't forget to deglaze the pan with 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, creating a delightful caramelized touch. Simmer and infuse. Continue cooking the sauce over medium heat until the liquid has been well incorporated, creating a luscious marinara texture. This should take around 5-10 minutes, but feel free to adjust the cooking time to achieve your desired consistency. Remove the cooled grits from the refrigerator, now beautifully set and ready to be transformed into fries. Cut them into thick, fry-like shapes, allowing your imagination to run wild. Make them as uniform or as uniquely shaped as you desire. Heat up about 2 cups of olive oil in a frying pan, ready to give your grits fries a golden and crispy coating. Carefully add the fries to the hot oil, ensuring they have enough space to sizzle and dance without overcrowding. Fry them until they turn a delightful golden brown, sprinkling them with a touch of salt for that perfect seasoning balance. Arrange your fried grits fries on a platter, presenting them with pride and artistic flair. Serve them alongside the strawberry marinara sauce, allowing each fry to be dipped and adorned with fruity deliciousness. Let your taste buds rejoice in the unique combination of crispy grits and the sweet, tangy notes of the marinara. Just before serving, sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese over the strawberry marinara sauce, creating a savory and tangy enhancement. Let the cheese melt and intermingle with the fruity notes, taking the flavor profile to new heights.